Hi everybody, welcome to day 3 of Wake Up and Radiate. I'm really excited for today's juicy morning flow, so when you're ready, let's get started. Today we're going to begin in tabletop pose. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. We're going to begin with what we ended class with yesterday. We're going to take the wiggly cat count. So very softly, inhale your body over to the left, up and around, and down to the right. Just find your breath in this movement. Try to make your breath slow and long, just like your movement. Inhale up. Exhale down. Great, just a few more circles in this direction. Once you make it to the top again, reverse your circles, bringing yourself down to the left and up to the right. Inhale down. Exhale up. Great job. Slow down your movement if you feel that your breath is just too fast, and avoid holding your breath. We just woke up. This is the best time to bring breath awareness into your body. On your next exhale, bring yourself to a neutral spine wherever you're at, and inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Stay here for your exhale, and then inhale, reach a little bit deeper. And exhale, thread the needle. Draw your arm underneath your left arm. Bring your right ear down to the mat. From here, you have the option to either extend your left hand to the top of your mat, or you can wrap your left hand behind your back for a half bind. Take whatever variation feels best in your body. Take a deep inhale, fill up your lungs and the base of your belly. And a deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And very softly bring your right hand back down to the earth underneath your shoulder. And inhale your right arm back up high to the sky. And exhale, plant your palms down. Other side. Inhale your left arm up high. Stay here for your exhale. Inhale, reach a little bit deeper. And exhale, thread the needle, bringing your left arm under and through your right, bringing your left ear down to your mat. And from here, you can take whatever arm variation that you did on the other side so that you're honoring symmetry in your body. Wherever you're at, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bring your right hand back down underneath your shoulder and inhale your left arm up high to the sky. And exhale, tabletop pose. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale, tuck your toes. And exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back behind you. We're just going to stay here for a moment. I want you to press your hands into the earth to send your chest towards your thighs. Like always, who doesn't love a good juicy hamstring stretch? Feel free to pedal out your down dog for a moment. Rather than pedaling quickly side to side, I encourage you to just hold that stretch in one leg. Having one leg straight for about 3 seconds, switching to the other leg. That way you can really take a moment to feel the hamstring stretch. Great job. Now bring yourself back to stillness. Inhale, gaze forward. And exhale, tippy-toe your feet to the top of your mat. Bend your knees and separate your feet to hip-width distance apart. Let your head and neck hang heavy. Center your left hand in front of both of your feet. And inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Personally, for me, I like to bend one knee and straighten the other. You can either have both bent if that feels good for you too. Whatever you do, try to look up towards your hand. If you have a bad neck or you have pain, I encourage you to just continue to look down at the earth. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And inhale, rise yourself up to standing with this vertical twist. Exhale here. And inhale, exalted mountain. Drop your right hand down and your left arm up. I'll turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing with my hands here. I want you to bring your right hand, the top of your right hand, to the side of your left hip and look down behind your shoulder, reaching up for the sky. And then inhale, vertical twist. Exhale, ragdoll twist. Plant your hand back down on the ground and then release your hands down. Now center your right hand in front of your feet. Inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Stay here for your exhale. As you inhale, try to twist just a little bit deeper. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. And inhale, rise yourself up all the way to vertical twist in mountain pose. Stay here for your exhale. Inhale. And exhale, exalted mountain. Bring your left arm down and your right arm up high to the sky. So again, the top of your left hand is touching the side of your right hip. And I want you to look down over your left shoulder. And take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And inhale, vertical twist. Exhale, fold back into your twist. And then release your hand down to your mat. Now we're gonna flow through that breath to movement. Center your left hand, inhale your right arm high. And exhale, rise. Center your left hand. Inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Exhale here. And then inhale, rise yourself up to standing. Exhale, exalted mountain. Inhale, vertical twist. And exhale, ragdoll twist. Release your hand down to the mat. Center your right hand. Inhale your left arm up high. Stay here for your exhale. Inhale, vertical twist mountain. Exhale, exalted mountain. Inhale, vertical twist mountain. Exhale, ragdoll twist. And release your hand down. One more time on each side. Center your left hand. Inhale your right arm up high. And exhale here. Inhale, rise up to vertical mountain. And exhale, exalted mountain. Inhale, vertical twist in mountain. Exhale, ragdoll twist. And then release your hand down to the earth. Center your right hand. Inhale your left arm up high. Exhale here. Inhale, vertical twist mountain. Exhale, exalted mountain. Inhale, vertical twist mountain. Exhale, ragdoll twist. And release your hand down to the earth. Let your head and neck hang heavy and just breathe. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Very good. Inhale, walk your palms back up to the top of your mat and walk your feet back to high plank. Once you're in high plank pose, send your hips up and back. for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale your right leg up high to the sky. Be sure to flex your toes. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot forward between your hands and drop down to your back knee here. Untuck your back toes and inhale, crescent. Lift your biceps up by your ears. Take just a moment here to square your hips with the front of your mat and try to reach your hands up high to the sky. And exhale, vertical twist. Drop your right arm down and reach back. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And inhale, exalted crescent. Same thing with the top of your right hand against your left hip. Reach your left arm up and look over your right shoulder. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale, vertical twist. And exhale, low lunge. Inhale, tuck your back toe. Lift your knee up off the mat. And inhale, star pose to the left side of your mat. Bring your heels in and your toes facing out. Bend your elbows and grab opposite elbows. Inhale, reach your arms up nice and high. And exhale, lateral reach to the right side. Inhale, peel your heart open. Exhale, reach just a little bit deeper. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, lateral reach to the left side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, peel your heart open. Exhale, reach. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, star pose, reach out. Exhale, low lunge. And inhale, step your foot back to high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale your left leg high, flex your toes. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down to your back knee, untuck your back toe, and inhale, kneeling crescent. Stay here for your exhale. Square your hips towards the front of your mat and try to relax your shoulders from your ears, but at the same time, reach your hands up high. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Drop your left arm down and back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist just a little bit deeper. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, exalted kneeling crescent. Top of your left hand is against your right hip. Look over your left shoulder. Extend your right arm up and back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, vertical twist. And exhale, low lunge. Inhale, tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat. And inhale, star pose. Extend your arms up and out. Bring your heels in and your toes out. Capture opposite elbows. Take a deep breath and reach up tall. And exhale, lateral reach to the right. Inhale, peel your heart open. Exhale, reach just a little bit deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, lateral reach to the left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, peel your heart open. Exhale, reach. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, rise yourself up to star. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, high plank, and exhale, downward facing dog. Take just a moment here to pedal out your down dog, bending and straightening one leg at a time. Inhale, exhale, and bring yourself to stillness, and then come on down to your knees. Bring your hands to the tops of your thighs. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. Bring both hands over your heart space with one resting over the other. And just take a moment to thank yourself for doing yoga this morning, for taking care of yourself, for connecting your breath and your body. Inhale, gratitude. Exhale, gratitude. Blink your eyes open. Thanks so much for flowing with me, yogis. Namaste.